Welcome back. I've already placed the points just to assist us in creating the holes on our gutters. So you can see we have the points here, point here, and the jump one gutter and a point there. Remember, I told you this can be just welded on site. The joint can be welded on site, or welded on site and put some ceilings so that to avoid leakages. Though there's some numerous connection details we can do here, but that I'll do that in a different course altogether. So let's first of all go straight and start placing the holes for the spouts. So I'll pick on the hole generation and pick on this gutter, press my middle button and place my hole right there. So I'll double click on this. So you see, the diameter of this hole is, first of all, is 150, right? Is 150. Once you've placed your point there. So this is right at the center. The 150 is the entire diameter of the spout. Then here, put half of this, prefix that dimension with a negative sign, and do the same thing here. And select circular. Perfect. The rest, leave it to the instructor, that is Morris Vimba. Now I'm going to click modify, apply, and give it an OK. Now I'm going to all the way and move to the next one, to the next gutter, and I'm going to select this, pick my middle button on the mouse, and I've placed a hole there. And I'm going to pick this middle button and I'm going to place a hole right there. Select my middle button and I'm going to place a hole right there. And I'm going to pick this, press the middle button, I'm going to place a hole right there. And that's it. But you're not finished. Pick on this, press the middle button, the mouse, and place my hole right there. So I'm going to right click and click redraw. Navigate and rotate this. Navigate and rotate this. Perfect. Now what we're going to do, we want to close this far end of the gutter. So let's follow the profile of these corners and we close it off. Remember, this can be done by welding. Some jobs you can do on site. Even though some clients they don't want to see any welding machine on site or grinder or cutting disc. They want to see bolts and the steel only. So if you're lucky enough and the client can accept this, you can weld the gutter on site. Now, the thickness of our gutter is 3 mm. We'll change this to 3 mm. Let me just come here and change that to 3 mm, like that, and change this color to that and click on that and slightly push it inward. That's it. I'm going to click on empty screen and I'm going to come here and pick on weld. So this will be welded to that. Perfect. So if I pick this again and pick it and maybe mirror it, once I've selected on this, I'll come to mirror and pick on mirror. So I'm going to use grid line 6 to mirror and click copy. So if I go the other side, I'll be able to see, have my mirror in place. This has been copied. So the downpipes, it's easy. You can create that using just the pipe hollow section and you can create that. Now, if I turn this round like this, by double clicking on empty screen and change this to 0 and this also to 90, and click modify, apply. I want to copy this. I want to select only this. So once I've selected only that, I'm going to come here and rotate this. Right click and come to interrupt and come to special copy. Interrupt, remember, it's terminating or disconnecting from your previous command. So I'm going to click copy and we have the gutter this far end here. So navigate and rotate and we have our gutter here. Our gutter is in place, perfectly placed. So we're happy with this. So far, I think you can create something similar to this. And always don't forget to uh, do what? To do what? To save your work. Now, I'll click save. We'll end right on that spot for the next topic. Do you mind if we create the downpipes? And what tool can we use? Of course, let's try to use the downpipe. Create the downpipes. Perfect. Do you think we can do that? We don't have time though, but we'll just create it. So let's meet then on the next presentation, on the next lesson. I'll show you how we can create the downpipes. Okay, we'll wind up on that spot for the next topic.